on Frog Tech Tips. Today I got just something maybe not interesting but really special, as I still use the Wii U, like everyone know. And what I will be doing, I will be go and replace battery. After 11 years it's time to change the battery. What do you need? You need your Wii U GamePad, screwdriver, which is already come with the new battery, and the new battery which is come here. Okay, let's go do it. Is simply easy step. Just take off the screwdriver, the standard one. Should be this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's really big screwdriver for your big hands. It's hard to do with this small screwdriver. No, it's not. It's easy. Okay, let's go. Take off the screw. Just two screws there, nothing else. Now, with the nail, probably not. Okay, and open it. Once it's second the screw, we got a straight access to battery. Yeah. And now what you need to do is just take off the old battery. It's just unplug this one connector over here. It's that easy. Nothing else. Just unplug the battery. Open the new one. And as you can see, this battery is twice as bigger. The old one is 1500 milliamperes, the new one is 3600 milliamperes. More than double size, and it's easy. It should be easy. You just plug in. Come on, it should be easy. Why is not easy? Okay, it's inside. Okay, a new battery is inside. Now just put the cover back. Take your big screwdriver. This one is actually come with this battery. Close it. Test it. Try turning on. You can see it's working. It's simply as this. Don't forget, click like, subscribe. And if you want something more about the Nintendo Wii U, just let me know. I got nearly 20 years this from day one, usually. Okay, connect to Wii U console. It's working. Let's go do it. Go play games. See you later, alligator.